Now, when you cut hair, and you cut hair in your hands with your fingers, there's two places to hold the hair or to cut it. You can either cut it on the inside of your fingers, or you can cut it on the outside. They do two completely different things. All you have to do is look at your hands, right? And if I look on the outside of my hands, it's a completely different line to the inside. So let's do the what if. Let's talk about why we would do this. If I'm going to cut on the inside of my fingers, look at the inside, it's flat, right? So basically, what I will do there, if I cut in relation to the curvature of the head, and I actually cut flat, I'll cut through that. That's going to be a concave layer. It works against the head shape. Also, if I use the inside of my fingers, I will naturally pull the head down. Now, if you pull the head down, it leaves the crown longer. So if I leave that crown longer, I'm going to see a lot more weight falling on the outline and then making it flick at the edges. That's kind of like the octopus emoji in your phone, or like Friends season 1, right? It's very heavy, and then it just flickers the edge there. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a very seamless layer all the way through. So I'm actually trying to achieve what's known as a convex layer. It follows the vertical contour of the head shape. So if I try and use the inside of my fingers is like a ruler. Not at one point when you used a ruler at school and a pencil did you end up with a curve or a circle, right? It was always a straight line. So if I do that, that's what I'm going to get. And in relation to the head shape, I'm going to cut too much weight out. Remember, you must understand landscape if you're going to be an architect. And that's what haircutting is. It's architecture. It's simple geometry. When you do that, you get this amazing thing, and it's called suitability.